Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the blog. Today we are trying one of Madison's favorites. We're trying cheese curds from the old fashioned.
Hungry.
I have to make this intro fast before Brock eats the food because I want to show it to you guys. We got this huge bag. And it has cheese curds and it has, I think, fish fries as well, babe?
Yeah, I got a fish fry.
There is so much food.
Yeah, we kind of went overboard here. I didn't know how big the portions were going to be.
Cheese everything. Ooh.
We have cheese curds.
Cheese curds!
More cheese curds. We wanted to show that. Don't show how excessive we are. And fish fry.
Yay! So I'm gonna try the cheese curds. I will get Brock's reaction, but he couldn't wait.
You gonna try the sauce?
You have to try it with the sauce?
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna try just one by itself. Cheese curds are good. Happy Saturday, everybody. I wanted to just pop on here and say I wanted to take you guys with me today because I did a thing, but there was just like a lot of like legal documents involved, and obviously I don't want to show that on my vlog. So I got a car today. I told you guys I was looking for a car because I left mine in Florida, so I didn't really have a car up here. It's nothing fancy, it's just a Subaru, but it will get me places. It has four-wheel drive, which is really important for a cold state like this one, just in the snow and everything, just for safety, and I'm just really excited. We got it today, we put some gas in it. I'm gonna clean it tomorrow and probably I'll show you guys that. Also today the election results were confirmed. Biden won and I feel like I can breathe. As you guys know, I have faced some discrimination before, and I'm not saying that that started with Trump's presidency, but it definitely allowed it to happen more openly. So I feel like it's definitely time for some of those negative patterns to end in this country. And this was my first election that I was able to vote because I had my citizenship this year, so it meant a lot to me that I was able to be part of that. We just watched Biden's victory speech on TV, and it feels good to no longer be scared every time I leave the house. And I know like a lot of the racism and everything was there before and will be there after Trump, but I feel like it will be less tolerated now, if that makes sense. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we are shopping for some cleaning supplies to clean my car because it's truly embarrassing how dirty it is right now. And it's because at the dealer they had it like right under a tree and like it's full of leaves and stuff. So we're doing that today. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I wish I could take you home with me, but I can't. You're so adorable. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. This is the best part of coming home every time.
I love it.
Look how excited this pup gets.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. So we got this for him, and we got this big stick of beef recipe, whatever that is. I think you also mix it with the food.
It's just a beef stick.
And we got him this treat, which is like I think a chorizo, right? It basically looks like a chorizo. And these two, which he hasn't seen yet, otherwise he'd be way more excited. So that's the haul from the pet store. And now we're gonna clean my car because, like I said, it's pretty disgusting. And I have work tomorrow and I just want my car to look nice. Guys, I have neighbor drama. So I've always told you guys I love my neighbors. They're like the coolest. They're super nice to us. They've been super nice to us ever since we moved in, and most of our neighbors are amazing. So I preface with that. But there's this one household that always has people over. And during COVID, I'm not even gonna go into detail how unsafe that is, but either way, COVID aside, they always have their guests park right outside our front porch. you can tell why this would be a little annoying. Because if it was like once in a while thing, we wouldn't really care. But it's like every day. Every single day I come home and there's a different car parked outside my house. To top it off, we were planting some grass because there's a patch of grass in our front yard that doesn't grow. And we were always wondering why it didn't grow, and then it occurred to us that it's because somebody is parking there every freaking day. So we got seeds and we planted them, and we kept trying for them to grow, and they kept parking there, so now the grass doesn't grow where they park. So I didn't know exactly which neighbors it was. Like, I thought I had my suspicions that it was a specific house, but I wasn't quite sure because it's a different car every day, so I don't know. So I go over to my neighbors from across the street and I ask them, hey, do you guys know whose car this is? I just want to let them know that Brock is about to do some yard work and I wouldn't like to blow any leaves or dirt onto their car. And this person tells me, oh, I think it's these neighbors. I think they're having people over for a birthday party. I'm like, okay, it's a birthday party, I don't want to be that person. So, whatever. So I go over there and I tell them, hey, I just wanted to let you know, I live in da-da-da, my address, and we're about to do some yard work and I would hate to blow dirt and leaves into your car. So she's like, oh yeah, don't worry, we don't care. Do your yard work, it's fine, we're leaving soon anyway. And they're leaving as I'm saying this, I'm watching them leave. But like, I shouldn't have to tell you something. Like, it's an everyday thing. Come on. Get it together. And I feel so awkward all the time because I'm 22. And this is like a pretty like nice neighborhood. So a lot of these homeowners are like in their 50s and 60s and they're like 3 times my age. So I'm having to walk up to these people's houses and just be like, hey, by the way, don't be a prick. So it's like an everyday thing. And honestly, had they told us, hey, we have people over all the time and we don't have enough parking spots, would you mind if they park there? Not at all. But they've never even introduced themselves, they've never even said anything to us. It's just like, it's disrespectful, you know, like you can't just do that to somebody's house. And maybe I'm too nice, but like, I don't know. I just think that's messed up. So, neighbor drama. This is how it looks like so far. I think it looks really good.